How to write a caption in Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post. Choose a photo or video from your gallery or take a new one, then tap Next. You can apply filters or make edits if needed, then tap Next again. Now you will see the caption box. Tap on it to start typing your caption. You can write a simple description or add more details to engage your audience. If you want to add hashtags, type the pound symbol followed by a keyword. For example, if your post is about travel, you can add hashtags like travel or vacation. Hashtags help your post reach more people. If you want to tag someone, type the @ symbol followed by their username. This will notify them and link their profile in your post. Instagram allows up to 2,200 characters in a caption, but shorter captions often work better. Once you are happy with your caption, you can tap Share to post it immediately or save it as a draft to edit later. If you need to change the caption after posting, tap the 3 dots on your post and select Edit. That's how to write a caption in Instagram.